Chico, there's no dust there. Do you want some dust? I should go get you some dust. There sits the chinchilla. He is unaware that I have dust waiting for him, and so he goes behind there. Chico! Come out here! Look! I have to trick him. That's kind of... There, he found it. Took him long enough. Huh, Chico? Dusty enough? You think you're dusty enough? So you're gonna go back there and leave a trail of dust. Nice. It's alright. I still love you. Gonna come out and do some more? You know you want to. Or you can always bother the cat that's watching you. That works too. No? You can't be done. That wasn't even enough. And then we still have a Cube who's still eating the carpet. Hello, Cube. Chico!